How have you been?
Me?
Yeah.
Good, I guess. I'm sorry. What did you say your name was?
It's Tara. My name is Tara.
You have very pretty eyes.
That's very sweet of you. Thank you. So I'm here to ask you some questions.
Well, sure, fine, I guess. Would you please remind me what your name is again?
It's Tara.
Mine is Jonathan.
I know. So I'm here to ask you a few questions. Your wife, she was my mom. She was my mother. She gave me up for adoption a long time ago.
I don't remember having any kids.
I was told she gave me up before you two were together.
You mean Misty? Well, she'll be here soon. She'll remember better than I can. I get confused sometimes.
I know, Jonathan. She passed away a couple of years ago. That's why I'm here.
She did?
You and I met once before. I never got to meet her. I was hoping you could tell me a little about her. I'd love to know why she gave me up. What was she thinking?
She's gone? No, that's not right. I was talking to her just this morning.
Did she ever mention me? Why she did what she did?
You're here to see Misty.
They told me that you like to take walks. Why don't we forget about the questions and do that?
Okay. We lived in a trailer at first. She liked to walk down by the lake. We would go after dinner. The sun would be setting. She would get real quiet. She would sit by herself. I think she was thinking about you.
Yeah?
Misty had a rough life. It was pretty bad for a while. I like to think it got better after we got married, but the first couple of years were tough. She was a good woman. She wasn't perfect, but she was kind.
But not kind to me.
I think her letting you go was her act of kindness. Hey, I have an idea. I'd like to go walking. Would you care to join me?
Yeah.